More than half of the women and girls in Ethiopia have no access to adequate and affordable menstruation products. Mela for Her, a social startup in Ethiopia, is actively committed to finding a solution to this problem. It produces and sells reusable menstrual pads. It also plays an important role in raising awareness of menstruation issues.
Mela for Her received various supports from Invest for Jobs. One is technical support to manage the expansion and growth of the company. Secondly, we received support on quality management system implementation. And thirdly, training support for our employees and also newly employed staff.
The support provided by Invest for Jobs, the special initiative Decent Work for a Just Transition of the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development, BMZ, has created good jobs, especially for women. The topic of menstruation is taboo for many people in Ethiopia. In rural areas in particular, menstruation products are often hard to come by. Mela for Her trains saleswomen who generate additional income on a self-employed basis and advise other women in a protected environment.
ተማርኩት ትምህርቱን በወሰድኩበት አልከበደኝም እንግዲህ ላስረዳቸው ሲሄድ በጣም ለመናገር ከብዷቸዋል ስቀውብኛልም ከዛ ከተሳሳቀን በኋላ ነው ተስማምተው የገዙት
With support from Invest for Jobs, Mela for Her is on course for growth and is not only improving the lives of many women, but also creating good jobs in a future-oriented industry.
Ancha mala mala o maganu, ancha mala mala o.